Good afternoon, this is Colton with Build Brothers Roofing and Solar doing a digital roof inspection here over in Oceanside for a potential homeowner for a new home here. And we like to start these inspections on the eave so we can take a look at the wood. This is our fascia wood right here. We also have our shadow board right here that holds up the first tile, kind of like a tile riser. There is some wood rot on the other side of this garage. Wood rot and fascia is very common and something that gets replaced often during a roof replacement project. We're missing a drip edge. A drip edge is a metal piece of flashing that transitions water directly from the starter tile into the gutter. This allows for water to basically get behind, as you can see some light right there behind the gutter, which isn't ideal. This right here is a flat concrete tile. It's specifically profiled as a Monier tile. They discontinued this tile, so they really don't make it anymore. But it has a little bit of wave to it. It's notorious for chipping at the edge of it. So you can see right here, a little chip right here. Aesthetically, it doesn't look ideal, but it doesn't basically relinquish the integrity of the tile. I pulled up a couple tiles around the roof that I'll put back in place, but in order to fully understand the roof, I need to pull up some tiles to check the underlayment, see what condition it is. With the flat concrete tile roof, the underlayment is really the waterproofing membrane. The tiles protect the underlayment. This valley right here has been replaced at some point. The new valley metal, the new basically metal flashings are different from the original mortar ones, and the valley metal is newer. We can see right here that this roof was roofed with a 30-pound underlayment, and it's only single layer, as you can see right here. And this is the original underlayment from 38 years ago. This valley has been replaced. There's a cracked tile right here, but this valley has been replaced. Some of the chips of they tried to mastic those together, and then you can see a little patch that has been done where newer underlayment kind of has these lines that you're seeing right here, and then chip right here. The solar system is a 12-panel solar system. It has microinverters underneath it. Additionally, they're REC 250-watt panels. Very common panels that are actually by a very reputable brand. So we want to reuse these panels if we were to lift up and redo this roof. You can see new mortar that's been activated on the ridge right here, the ridge right here. Something as like a kind of a roof maintenance that's done. I pulled up a tile right here. This is the original paper right here, so no patch over here, just right over here, probably where they had a leak over here. The solar panel standoffs that they used are basically called almost like self-flashing, basically tile replacement standoffs. And these are an older style of standoffs, so if we were to upgrade this roof, we'd actually use an L tile hook that would hook around it, and we would just reuse basically the panels and upgrade to a better standoff. So this is the front section of the roof right here. No roofing washer around the roofing nail, and then just one layer of the underlayment right here, as you can see. The chimney has been canceled from the inside, but it is causing a lot of problems on the roof. A lot of the tiles are slipping down, and you can see the discoloration in the roof right here. This is all very old paper that needs to be replaced. One layer of this, maybe some patches that have been done over time because these tiles slip down. And then on this side of the roof, all this tile has a little bit of moss buildup just because it doesn't get as much sun. Original tile right here sliding down. There's been a patch over here, right here. And you can see the original underlayment right here. The staining that occurs over the 38 years. Now we upgrade to a titanium fire resistant underlayment. Original paper right here. Patch right here. You can see the newer paper with the roofing nail washer. So this flashing has been replaced. New paper goes all the way up here, just on this basically section of the roof right here. Then you have your old vents right here that have no metal flashings and are easy way for water to basically intrude right here. So yes, we need to cancel the chimney. Let's get rid of that. Patch right here, patch right here. Patches kind of limp the roof along, but we need to remove these solar panels, redo the underlayment on the whole roof, and then this roof will be secure, and this will be a 50-year product with a titanium fire resistant underlayment. That's going to be the recommendation on this roof. Thank you.